My name is Smith, and I am a Certified Information System Security Professional, CISSP. I have over 18 years of experience in managing information system security for various organizations. Managing information security in the organization can be extremely challenging in today's environment. Advancement in technology, use of mobile computing devices to access the internet, have not only increased the adoption to newer technologies, but have also increased the exposure to the risks of various security hazards. Technological solutions alone can only mitigate security risks to an extent. The presence of qualified information security experts in-house provides organizations the reassurance and ability to implement, manage, and enhance periodically cutting-edge security solutions. This is where a CISSP professional are in demand by employers. In this introductory module, we will provide an overview of CISSP certification as well as the benefits of this course. We will review a real-world example of how a CISSP certified professional can improve the security of the organization. A multi-million-dollar company I was working with had started a smart card program. All employees in the organization were required to use smart cards to access the office premises and the data systems. The card was designed to contain each employee's details, including his/her name, photograph, and employee ID, etc. The smart card contained the identification and authentication information with which the user could log on to the computer. While the HR department was responsible for issuing the card, it was the employee who was eventually responsible for its use. The smart card and an associated PIN were required to log on to the computer. Removal of the card would result in the computer getting locked and therefore prevent unauthorized access to the system. As is evident, this system is very sophisticated with features including automatic log-off, building access control, identity card, single user, single device requirement, employee time tracking, and others. However, in a routine audit, it was discovered that there were multiple log-ons using the CEO's credentials, even when he was traveling. Since the CEO was able to prove that the smart card was in his possession, the intruder apparently was using another smart card issued to the CEO's account to access the system. Further investigations led to the discovery of multiple fake smart cards being used to access other privileged accounts and get access to sensitive documents. The above example shows how even a highly sophisticated system can be manipulated and misused. What the company lacked was not infrastructure but strong policies and procedures, which in turn discourages advertent and inadvertent misuse. In other words, what was lacking was a time-tested and reliable framework like CISSP that would have provided strong deterrents for misuse. Organizations are recruiting CISSP certified professionals because they provide increased credibility for their organization when working with vendors and contractors. CISSP is also one of the most popular certifications accepted by regulatory bodies across the world. The Certified Information System Security Professional, CISSP, provides by a globally recognized common body of knowledge that defines the architecture, design, management, risk, and controls that assure the security of business environments. A CISSP professional demonstrates competence in this knowledge bank. CISSP is the gold standard and vendor-neutral IC security certification program. The CISSP certification program is governed by International Information Systems Security Certification Consortium, or ISC. In June 2004, the CISSP became the first information security certification accredited by ANSI ISO IEC standard 17024-2003 and has led industry acceptance of global standards in information security. One of the key benefits of CISSP is fulfilling the requirements of almost all regulatory bodies across the world. It also offers a career differentiator with enhanced credibility and marketability to a professional reinforcing his or her commitment to the domain. An ISC membership provides exclusive benefits, including access to valuable resources, such as peer networking and idea exchange through forums regulated by the body. With CISSP certification, I have acquired the skills to design architecture and manage controls to ensure the security of business environments. I have been successfully handling security issues in cloud computing, mobiles, application development, risk management, and more. The best thing about CISSP is that it has enabled me to align security with business requirements. Whether it's a small, medium, or large-scale enterprise, CISSP is widely adopted across the world. Any organization can employ CISSP to address their information security requirements. Currently, there are above 92,000 members in 156 countries who hold the CISSP certification. The U.S. Department of Defense has formally approved CISSP in their Information Assurance Technical, or IAT, and Managerial, or IAM categories, as a requisite for their DoDD 8570 certification. The U.S. National Security Agency has also adopted CISSP as a baseline for their Information Systems Security Engineering Professional, or ISSEP program. CISSP is evidently the key certification for security professionals. An informal survey of information security jobs on a major employment website revealed that over 70% of the positions required CISSP certification. In fact, information security professionals certified with CISSP are in high demand, with a growing need of corporates to protect their information and assets given the emergence of cloud computing. This course will introduce you to the key concepts of information security, including processes, functions, roles, and general principles. A CISSP is an information assurance professional who defines the architecture, design, management, and/or controls that assure the security of business environments. The vast breadth of knowledge and the experience it takes to pass the exam is what sets a CISSP apart from others. The credential demonstrates a globally recognized level of competence provided by the ISC2 CBK, which covers critical topics in security today, including cloud computing, mobile security, application development security, risk management, and more. The CISSP curriculum covers a variety of topics on information security. The CISSP examination is based on what ISC terms the Common Body of Knowledge, or CBK. According to ISC, the CISSP CBK is taxonomy, that is, a collection of topics relevant to information security professionals worldwide. The CISSP CBK establishes a common framework of information security terms and principles that allow information security professionals to discuss, debate, and resolve matters in their profession with a common understanding. In this course, we will begin with the first domain of information security governance and risk management, which will be followed by access control. We will then discuss the concepts of security architecture and design in the next module. This will be followed by the domains physical security, network and telecommunication security, software development security, cryptography, business continuity and disaster recovery, legal regulations, investigations and compliance, and operations security. Finally, we will provide you with a review of the key concepts and a practice exam. Our training program has a high success rate as it focuses on multiple sample tests and understanding the security fundamentals. It also includes chapter review questions and real-life case studies. The CISSP exam is a 6-hour-long closed book exam that consists of 250 multiple-choice questions. The passing score is 700 points out of 1,000. Let us now start with Domain 1 of this CISSP course, which discusses information security governance and risk management.